Hi my dear children, I hope all of you are fine and keeping safe at home. This is Vanitha Mary from Bharati Dasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am very glad to meet all of you in this online session today. Today we are going to learn from class 3 grammar. The name of our topic is pronoun. Have you heard this name, pronoun, children? Okay, so let us see what is a pronoun. Words in place of nouns. But with this we cannot understand the meaning of pronoun. So let us go to the meaning of pronoun. A word used in the place of a noun is known as pronoun. So what do? We use pronoun in the place of a noun. We know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. The names of persons, places, things, animals or birds. So in the place of these noun, we use the pronoun. So let us see what are the pronouns we use basically every day in our conversation. So the pronouns are I, you, we, they, she, he, it. We use them very regularly in our conversation. When we speak, we use these pronouns. Okay. So there are two kinds of pronouns. The first one is singular pronouns. What are these singular pronouns? I, she, he, it are singular pronouns. What is the meaning of singular? It means one. So we use these pronouns for one person. The next one is plural pronouns. Plural pronouns are we, they and you. These are plural pronouns. We need to remember here, children, the pronoun you can be used for both singular also, for plural also. For one person also we can use the pronoun you, and for more persons also we can use the pronoun you. So in simple words we can say a pronoun is used in the place of a noun. We already said what is a noun and what is a pronoun. So let us see this example. Reena is a girl, she is singing. So Reena is a girl, she is singing. Here the word she is a pronoun because we are using she in the place of Reena. So what is this she? She means Reena here. So in the place of noun we are using the pronoun she because she is a girl. Next example. Rahul is a boy, he is playing. Rahul is a boy, he is playing. So which pronoun have we used in the place of Rahul? He, because he is a boy, a singular noun, we are using the pronoun he in the place of Rahul. Let us see few more examples to understand the meaning of pronoun and the examples. Nitin is an old man, he walks slowly. So what is the pronoun we have used in the place of Nitin? Nitin is an old man. He, here he means Nitin walks slowly. So in the place of Nitin, which is a noun, we are using the pronoun he. Next example. There is a woman in the park. She is my teacher. So here we are using the pronoun she here. What is the meaning of she? Whom does it refer? It refers to the woman here. Woman is a noun. So we are using in the place of woman she because she is a woman. There is a woman in the park. She is my teacher. It refers to the woman mentioned here. Tom and Bob are friends. They are sitting. So it refers to two people here. Tom and Bob are friends. They are sitting here. So which pronoun have we used? We have used the pronoun they because it refers to Tom and Bob. Two people. It can be two people. It can be three or more than that. So we have used in the place of Tom and Bob. The pronoun here is they. Next example. This is my doll. I play with it every day. So what is the pronoun we have used here? See the highlighted one, we have used the pronoun it. This is my doll. I play with it every day. So what is the meaning of it here? It refers to the doll. So we cannot say for the things she or he. We can only use she. We can use only it for the non-living things like things, animals, birds. We can use only it. So in the place of doll, which is a noun, we have used the pronoun it. Few more examples. The dog is sleeping. It is my pet. So in the place of dog, which is a noun, we have used the pronoun it here. This is a hen. It is a big hen. So this is a hen. In the place of hen, we have used the pronoun it because it refers to the bird here. So the pronouns like I, you, we, he, she and they are used in place of persons. We cannot use I, you, we for animals, non-living things. So we can use only in the names of people. The next one is it is used for things and animals or birds. We use the pronoun it for animals, things and birds. So let us see in detail what each pronoun tells us. The pronoun I. When we speak about ourselves, we use the pronoun I. Here, I, John. It is talking about that person John. I, Neha, talking about oneself. Here, the next pronoun is we. Here, Sonu and Seema. So, what is this pronoun we are using? We are using the pronoun we, Sonu and Seema. It refers to Sonu and Seema. The next pronoun is you. You can be used for singular also, plural also. We have already mentioned. Here, you means Maya. You means Rohan. Another plural you is referring to students, more number of people. So, you can be used for singular as well as for plural. The next is Ram, Nisha. Look at this. She is Nisha, referring to the girl here. He is Ram, referring to the boy here. So, we have used the pronoun she for a girl and he for boy. He means Ram here. She means Nisha there. Next one. Do you want this pencil? The pronoun you referring to one person. Why are you running? Referring to more people. Mohan, Ram and I are in class 3. We are friends. So, the pronoun refers to Mohan, Ram, I. The pronoun we refers to these 3 people. They are my friends. So, here the pronoun they refers to friends here. The next one is, this is a new ball. It is my favorite. So, what is this? It refers to the ball here for the non-living thing. So, for the things, animals, birds, we use the pronoun it. So, let us see what we have learned in our class. Today, we have learned about pronoun. Pronoun is used in the place of noun. Noun is a naming word. Which are the pronouns? There are singular pronouns and also plural pronouns. The pronouns I, you, she, he, they, we are used in the place of persons, and the pronoun it is used in the place of animals and things. So, we have learned the meaning of pronouns and the different pronouns we use daily in our conversation. I hope you have understood my class children, understood the topic about pronouns. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.